How to delete Wattpad account on iOS. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Wattpad account on your iPhone or your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up Wattpad. You can open up the app or you can simply open up the website as well. It's completely up to you. And after you do that, you will then need to tap on your profile icon that is on the top right. Make sure that you're logged in into your account first. After doing that, tap on the gear icon that is on the top right button again. And after you tap on it, you'll be on your settings. After you're on the settings, you can there see your account settings. Tap on account. And after you tap on account, there you will see on the bottom an option called close account. Tap on close account, and after you tap on close account, simply choose a reason why you want to just close your account, and tap on continue, and then make sure that you tap on this checkbox that says I confirm I want to close my account, and then tap on close account. As you can see, it says your account has been closed, and that's basically it. And yeah, that is basically how you delete Wattpad account on your iOS or Android, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.